welcome back to Master Designs. It's me again, you guys. You know, your favorite artist. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw God Slayer hearts from Dragon Ball Heroes. So, after absorbing the power of the Universe Seed, Hearts became the ultimate God Slayer. His form is so powerful, he even took out Zamasu with one cube strike. And, believe me, I thought Zamasu would become a indestructible ether. Boy, did I get that wrong. Okay. So, when drawing him, you must draw his goggles here. There we go. There we go. After absorbing the power of the Universe Seed, Hearts became this guy, and he was going to use that power to free mortals from the god's grasp, including destroying Gran Zeno. I mean, what would happen if somebody killed Gran Zeno? The entire multiverse would fall apart or something. We wouldn't want that happening, do we, folks? It's our job to keep Earth safe from danger. Even gods. I mean, no one in the universe could ever kill a god. It's impossible. Unless they take out the Supreme Kai. But don't tell Beerus I said that. He might try to destroy me. Things haven't been the same since the coronavirus outbreak started. I miss going out. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Next up, we just draw his abs here. All the best fighters have abs. has armor like in the Frieza Force. Alexa, start the song over. Okay, be sure to draw these cuffs on this guy's body. It's sort of like the one Zamasu has, even the ones that they used in the Frieza Force. Okay, here's the most important part. Godslayer Hearts has these spikes sticking out of his back due to the power of the Universe Seed. Be sure to draw 3 on this side and 1 on this side. Having Zamasu on his... You know, I feel like Heart should have had more power if he fused with Zamasu rather than destroying him. That way he'd really be invincible. And finally, after that, you just have to draw these orb things sticking out of his back. They hover above him. Kind of like Grand Zeno at Zamasu. To be honest, I'm not sure if that's a real character. He's just a character from Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. Anyways, that's how you draw Godslayer Hearts. Who is your favorite character in Super Dragon Ball Heroes? Make sure to leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know. And if you want to, make sure to leave comments below about more facts about Godslayer Hearts. That's all for now. I'll see you guys soon.